eyelashes are way too big for me, but hey guys, it's Kelly. So today I'm doing a full face top rated Sephora product video. I saw Nicole Concilio did this, so shout out to her. This is completely inspired by her. I love her videos, I love how honest she is on them. I try to be as honest as possible. And yeah, so give this video a big thumbs up if you like and subscribe for more. And yeah, let's go with the video. So first up for primer, I have the Too Faced Hangover Primer, which is one of my favorite primers, but apparently Ulta has some good reviews on it too. It has 2.5 stars. I'd say like 2 I don't even know. But 2.5 stars. Lots of people are saying it blends well, easy to apply, lightweight, smooth, natural looking. Yeah, a lot of the same stuff. And this is one of my favorite primers just because it is very hydrating and it's silicone free, which don't get with a lot of primers, but I love this primer, so let's go ahead and apply it. So for foundation, I have the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation. This has 4 stars, which I'm surprised it only has 4 stars. And a lot of reviews, people are saying it's amazing, full coverage, best foundation I've ever tried, long wearing, nice and healthy finish, awesome, lightweight. So yeah, I have been loving this foundation for the longest time, and it is full coverage, and it claims to be oil free, but it has SPF in it, so that means it's not oil free, but it is an amazing foundation. So I'm taking it on a beauty blender, which is obviously high rated because it's a beauty blender. Next up, I have the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer. This has 3.6 stars, which again, I feel like I should have higher than that because it is a very good concealer in my opinion. And it has lots of reviews. Good coverage, favorite concealer, holy grail, best concealer, natural. Yeah, there's a lot of the same stuff. So let's go ahead and apply it. Setting powder, I have the Laura Mercier setting powder, but this is the mini version, but still the same thing. This has 4.5 stars and 6,065 reviews. Where'd the reviews go? No, what did I just do? This is why I don't do technology. Really great powder, need it. Oh, somebody said it's drying. Great size for travelers, best and I've tried them all. Works like magic, doesn't get cakey, sets everything in place, doesn't settle into fine lines. Yeah, I tried this before and I wasn't the hugest fan of it, but then again I only tried it one time, so I'm gonna give it another chance. Moving on to eyeshadow, when you think of Sephora favorites, you definitely think of the Modern Renaissance palette from ABH. Now this has 4.8 stars, so almost a perfect score, and almost 8,000 reviews, so yeah, this has gotta be good. Love it, amazing, colors are beautiful, best palette ever, love Anastasia palettes, pigmented. Oh, somebody said it doesn't stay well with dry skin. Very pretty colors. Yeah. So I have been loving this palette. I think it's super buttery and I really look for a good formula when I go for eyeshadows. So I want to kind of do a Valentine's Day look today. So I'm going to start by taking, I can never pronounce this red shade and sweeping it through my crease and bringing it to my outer V. I'm going to do a very simple look today, so I'm going to Love Letter, which is this hot pink. Oh! Out, and I'm going to be putting it onto the middle of my lid. Now moving on, I'm taking, oh god, another great word I can't pronounce, this Shimmery Champagne shade, and putting it towards my inner corner and on the inner corner of my lid. Now I'm going into the shade Red Ochre and working onto my lower lash line. I really only use drugstore liners, so I'm not going to use a Sephora eyeliner. I'm just going to pop some eyeliner on and be right back. So for lashes, I'm taking the Tarte Tarteist cruelty-free lashes, and these are in Flirt. The whole lash line in general has 4 stars and not that many reviews, but I'm gonna read them anyway. Okay, it's not loading. My life. So, goddess lashes for in real life. Perfect for a night out. Band is thick, and if you don't know when the band's thick, it means like it lasts a long time. Gorgeous. Gives the natural but yet dramatic effect. Okay, that's oddly specific. Anything else I'm missing? Oh my. Can't put that on YouTube. Stunning, soft, beautiful. Yeah. So I'm gonna pop these bad boys on. Oh, and I just want to say, Sarah got these for me, so thank you, Sarah. These lashes are legit everything! They feel like really like actual hair. Like I think there's like, I don't even know. Are these human hair? No, they're like faux. That's crazy! Crazy! So for contour, I don't have any contouring stuff from Sephora. And they just have MAC, The Balm, and Drugstore. So I'm going to be using an eyeshadow to contour. What a lot of people don't realize is I do use a lot of high-end makeup, but I'm a teenager and I have to buy all this makeup myself. So I don't have a lot. But I'm using the Smashbox eyeshadow trio. This has 3.5 stars and it has over 1,000 ratings. People are saying it's very pigmented, buttery formula. Again, what I love. A lot of people are just saying the formula is amazing, best thing I've ever tried. So yeah, let's just try to contour and get snatched. Gotta get my brush with this eyeshadow trio, and I'm gonna take. I think I'm gonna take this medium shade. So I'm losing the daylight, so I look like a literal mess, but I'll deal with it. So moving on to blush, I have the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. This has 4.6 stars and a lot of reviews. It's almost 5,000 reviews. 2 thumbs up. Gorgeous. Amazing formula. Love the Amazonian Clay collection. Everyday blush. Works on all skin tones. Works on all skin types. Yeah, I have to agree with what people are saying. So let's go ahead and apply this. So moving on to highlighter, I have the Huda Beauty Pink Sands highlighter, which is one of my favorite highlighters of all time. This has 4.3 stars and not that many ratings, but I'm still gonna do it anyway. People are saying best highlighter ever, fantastic highlighter palette. People actually are saying they like this better than the Anastasia palettes. Amazing. Bought the Golden Sand when it first launched, but I like this better. Love, worth the money. I have to say, I do agree with what people are saying. I love this palette, it is amazing. So let's go ahead and pop it onto, there's a hair on my brush, onto his end cheekbone. So finally onto lips, I have the Tarte, this is the, what's the exact name? Color Splash Lipstick in Rum Punch. This has 4.5 stars and almost 500 reviews. Not much of a lipstick, but I'd rather choose this over anything. Favorite lipstick for summer, creamy and smooth, hydrating, comfortable, pigmented, love it, beautiful. Yeah, a lot of good things. So I made it to the end of the video and I forgot to do brows. So I have the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This has 4.3 stars and almost 900 reviews. Best iPhone pencil ever. Wonderful, easy to use, very creamy, smooth. It's a wax-based formula apparently. Better than Anastasia. So yeah, let's just pop it on the brows. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. And subscribe for more. And I'll see you next time.